Today I'm coming to you guys with a breakfast bacon sandwich, and I also have 2 glazed donuts and a coffee. All breakfast items, but it is not breakfast time, it is lunch time. But I wanted these breakfast items. My eggs and my sandwich should be running. Tastes the best. And the coffee is a French roast coffee, dark roast. And what else? Oh yeah, and I got hazelnut creamer. I'm kind of jittery. No way. I get jittery sometimes when I wait too long to eat. I'm shaky. One from my pot out. Yeah. This is really delicious. Hold on.
Hey, I'm sorry. Ripple.
What?
Lay down.
Imani's over there eating macaroni and cheese. Got my clear American. The cherry lemonade. Because that's good. My eggs and stuff are slipping off my sandwich. Come on. Come on. Okay, there we go. Let me grab. You ate in the macaroni, not playing with it, are you? I say, what's this blue and cheese? I don't remember. Sorry. No. Oh yeah, I got jelly on here too. Wow. Next is whole grain bread. You see that? Your hands dirty? No, give her a paper towel. Yeah. Got it? Mm. I'm really hungry, y'all, huh? Because all I had was these donuts this morning. They got 3 donuts this morning. That was it. But I couldn't just eat donuts and be done. It's probably getting jittery and feel like I'm gonna fall out. Some days, yeah, some days, no. Excuse me. You want me to get it for you? It's got 0 calories, 0 caffeine, 0 calories, 0 sodium. But it tastes sweet. What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? You finna get down? Yeah, get down. Winter's still taking a nap. I don't like giving her a whole donut. She'll never finish it. I don't know how y'all feel about coffee and donuts, but I think it's a good combination. I'm allowed to dip it. I feel like half the day have gotten away from me. Going to Walmart, made a little groceries, try to prepare some stuff for like that little girl because she likes noodles. So to get some noodles, and I bought her some cup macaronis and bought some jelly for peanut butter and jelly because excuse me, because Sadie loves peanut butter and jelly. She also loves noodles too, so noodles with both of them. Then I bought some Anytizers because they were like 5 something, and I was like, you know what? When we want a snack and we just chilling, we already ate. Go and warm us some up with some ranch. Babe would love that. With some carrots, some celery. Getting cold outside. You know what's getting started getting warm outside, so I bought some ice cream. He's picky about ice cream, so he loves the Napoleon. I guess he loves the best, you know, the 3: vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. So I got the kissing popsicles. Cause they're like $2.17 at Walmart. And you get 18. And you know they stuck together like this. I like getting those. I love those. I used to love when we get them when we was kids. So it gave me a lot of coffee when they didn't, but it made a lot. It made a lot. I usually don't make that much, but I gotta watch this little girl with coffee because she, I'm sorry, because she'll drink my coffee if she finds it, and winter's up. Yeah, it tastes weird. Drinking it right after drinking coffee. Anyway. Then I bought some sangria, some manzana, some piña, and the maraja. I know it's the naraja, but I'm not sure how you say Mandarin. Anyway, I got that. I got some pastries to make some empanadas. I was about to get the other one because I just seen it. Came back, seen it. Lady was like, "No, don't get those. They bubble up too much. With these, I put cheese in them. I put meat in them. They're good for the kids. The kids love them." So I bought 2 packs of those, and they were like only $1.70 something. So I was like, "Yeah." Already made pastry. I got 2 bags of the already ground up ground beef. So all I gotta do is season it for nights where I want to cook something really quick because I didn't get anything out. Okay, so I got that. Got 2 bags of it, and I just got 2 regular rolls of ground beef, and I think that was all the meat I got besides 2 boxes of the already cooked, fully cooked sausages. They were like $107, and it was like 8 in there. So I got 2 boxes of those because Imani likes sausages. I mean, well, you know, breakfast sausage. So I got that. I didn't really get very much meat because we still got chicken in there and chicken, like quarter legs, and then I got regular chicken breasts in there in the freezer. So, and I didn't get any moly because we still got homemade moly in there from his mom made it, and I think we still got a package of ground pork in there, and I think we had got, I think my husband bought 4. I mixed 2 together. I made 1 when I made a bunny gosh, so I got 1 pack of ground. Yeah, I'm gonna go check on this baby. Cause she be grabbing stuff. I'm not playing, she be grabbing stuff. You had a good nap. You had a good nap. Like I'm looking at myself and not having anyways. No! She's trying to get her sister out. They love talking to each other. Don't you love talking to your sissy? Yeah, she's still her baby. You know, I'm going to end this because this wasn't supposed to be this long. So I was going to do a grocery haul, so I just start telling you guys what I bought. But hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Even though, you know, I don't know. You know, if you like this kind of stuff and seeing my children. Still thinking about doing vlogs again. I'm thinking early about doing a channel specifically with vlogs. I don't know. If you guys really want to see that kind of stuff, hey, stop. Comment at the bottom.